What's good, y'all? So it's been a while since I put out my last video. It's been a little while. The reason why I ain't put out no video was because, first of all, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just had some shit going on in my own personal life. I really couldn't record no videos or really focus on my account at all. Actually, the 50K account that y'all were actually you know, following me on, I actually ended up losing that account. After I started recording, I just went ahead and traded the account furthermore, passed it, got the Express funded account, but then I blew the Express funded account like 4 days later or something like that. Here it is right here. So this was my first Top Step combine on the Top Step X platform. This was my first one. I failed it. Um, yeah, and then this was my second one, the one that y'all were following me. I passed it, but the Express I failed after like 4 days. I'm gonna just show y'all that real fast. All right, so first day lost $137, whatever. Second day came back, made 463, 360, 326 after tax and the losses and shit. And the next day, on the third day, I lost a thousand, right? Uh, I lost 1,000, and at that point, I had bought. I was like, damn, I lost 1,000 in the Express Fund account. Now that's gonna be hard because I only got $1,000 left to lose, right? I only got $1,000 left to lose. So on the third day, I was like, fuck. I went ahead and bought a 150K Top Step combine. On this day, on the third day, after I lost 1,000, I was like, I'm finna go ahead and buy a 150K account because if I fail this 50K Express funded account, I'm not buying no more 50K evals. And the reason why, um, and that leads us to this 150K account. So this is my third account on Top Step X. One failed, one passed, didn't fail, and then we're on the 150K account. But the two that I failed were 50K accounts. The one that I'm working on is a 150K account. The reason why I failed the 50K account and things like that, and the reason why I won't trade the 50K account anymore is because simply just because of the drawdown. Honestly, bro, the 50K accounts only give you like $2,000 of drawdown, so it makes it very hard for you to trade. Ideally, how you trade, like I'm used to seeing like what I'm saying, being up three, $400, 500, $1,000 within a few minutes, not you know 100, $200 in a few minutes. No, I'm used to being up like 1,000. So I trade with large size, and you can't do that in the 50K account. And it just takes a very long time to realize that after losing so many accounts, it finally clicks like, oh, okay, I can't trade 50K with regular minis. I gotta use micros. But like you used to using minis and using micros, it's like a downgrade. So it's like in a sense it takes it, psychologically you would think it takes way longer to hit your target using micros, you know, other than minis, but in reality it's not. You can make the same money with micros that you make with minis trading the 50K account. But psychologically, it's going to take a while for you to realize that, and you'll just keep making the same mistake. And that's the mistake I kept making. So I'll never buy, and I can confidently say I will never buy another 50K account. Why? Because it's a waste of fucking money. You only get $2,000 of drawdown, and if you're not used to trading with $2,000 of drawdown, if you're used to trading with four, five, $6,000 of drawdown, and they give you two, then you're gonna blow that within a couple of days because, like I said, you're used to seeing big winners and big losers, not small winners or small losers. So that's where I am in my journey. Hopefully, you guys continue to follow me on this 150K account. Um, I'm back. I don't want to say I'm all the way back, but I am gonna start, uploading regularly. I'm gonna try to start uploading regularly, like I did before. So yeah, this is my fourth day in this account. So you're gonna see this line go all the way up to like 155. So it's gonna be just right above this, at like 155. Because I did take a trade tonight, just around. I was at work when this trade setup was happening. It's just after market open, right at 5, and just right around here. I'm gonna switch to the 1 minute chart. It was right around. Let me see. It was right around here. So I took a long right here. I took this long, off this break of a VWAP in this retest. So I took a long right here to see if we were gonna sweep the highs before we actually continued to go down to the lower side, because that's what we did like the other night, and that's how I lost 1,000. We kept pushing up when we had all liquidity resting below. So um, that's what I thought. So I initially entered long, but after a while, I had to change like my theory because we were too far away from where I thought we were gonna sweep. And these are the eyes that I thought we were gonna sweep, which was all the way up here. Now, trying to get from here to here is fucking crazy. You know what I'm saying? So that's the move that I was initially looking for. Let me switch to the higher time frames. So that point of interest that I was looking for was all the way up here, this 4 hour 50% pullback. Now, essentially, I already know for a fact that we're going to end up targeting this 4 hour 50% pullback. We'll end up targeting that all this week. So, in my from my thesis, I feel like we'll continue to be bullish for the rest of the week. So, after changing my thesis up around here, I went ahead and took the short. Price dip, came back up. I held my trade, was in drawdown no more than like 50, 70 bucks, $100 or something. Then price continued to move in my direction, hitting my take profit for like 2,019.75 after the commissions. So that wasn't a bad trade at all. Really clear setup. We were chopping around these highs after consolidating. We manipulated out this consolidation area, came back to retest it, held that area, and continued to push up for the last run. Consolidated all the way until market reopened. We chopped down just a little bit. You can kind of say this is a bear flag or whatever. I don't know, but because I don't really go out that pattern shit. So yeah, I saw us chopping around here, and we wasn't really making no higher highs. So I was like, after I went long here, I was like, nah, this might not be the best move to go. So I went in and took a short, and it was the move that we were getting. And if the sweep of the highs didn't work, my next thesis was the sweep of the lows of all this liquidity back to this trend line right here, or the 15-minute VWAP, which is down right here because we didn't get that VWAP test. We didn't get a retest of VWAP during the regular hours. You see price kept pushing up. And then when opening came, VWAP had to meet back up with it. But we did come back down and clear that liquidity out right to where VWAP was left off at. And that is what I was targeting for 2000, like I said, 1975 after commission. So this is the Top Step 150K account. I do have 155,000. So I'm up 5,766 in the account, and I need 9,000. That is the profit target in order to pass this 150K account. I need to make 9,000, and I'm at 5,700. So yeah, just keep watching. I guess keep tuning in. Stay updated on the channel. I'm gonna be trading this account just like how I was trading the 50K accounts. It's just, this is a 150K account now. Uh, so yeah, no more 50K accounts. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to know the strategy that I use, the times I trade and things like that, how I look for trades, how I break down the charts before I get into trades and all that good stuff. Just overall how to make money in the market. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, comment what you want to see next, all that good stuff. And yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching if you did watch. And